I'm Rory, one of the founders of Barbell Foods, and this is how we make our biltong. We start by tallying up and unboxing the meat. It's 100% grass-fed and finished organic Australian beef, which is actually some of the best quality meat in the world. The next step is to remove the sinew and gristle from the silver side. Not every producer goes to the lengths to do this, but we feel it makes for a softer and better biltong. The primals are then cut into large steaks along the grain of the meat, not across the grain, which is an important step, as you'll see later. The steaks are then ready for a leisurely bite. We add vinegar and our blend of spices and leave them to sleep tight overnight. Bright and early the next morning, we drain the marinade and then season the steaks with simple spices you could find in your pantry. The steaks are then skewered and hung onto trolleys. We take care to separate the steaks so that air can pass between them. Once all the meat is hanging on trolleys, we wheel them into the drying room, leaving the rest to Mother Nature and Father Time. The drying room is the heart of our business. It runs non-stop and pumps out biltong. Controlling for temperature, airflow and humidity allows us to make a great biltong every time. From here, the biltong is cut against the grain for a tender, bite-sized piece. Our perfect piece has a small amount of fat at the top. We now run our biltong through our packaging machine, which seals it in a zero oxygen environment to keep it fresh over long periods. This is by far our most sophisticated bit of kit, and it takes two clever boys to keep it running smoothly. Finally, we pack the biltong into boxes and warehouse it ready for dispatch. We ship every day so that you get your biltong as fresh as possible. The last and most important step of all is to keep it real. This is our self-talk whenever we're making food choices, and it's also our motto for a good life.